So guys, this is the first video on the Rad Titanfall Wiz channel. Right now it is Saturday, but I'm going to be uploading this video on Monday. As I said in my description, I upload Titanfall 2 on Monday. I used to be using this loadout, except with my car, which is Generation 3.4, but I decided to try and use the Mastiff. I've never really used this gun. I've used it once. I can use the EVA. Here, I'll try the EVA first match, and then I'll do Mastiff next match, and then I'll just do my normal loadout. Capture the flag Nitro, limited time mode. I'll just play attrition. Like R201 or something. Jeez, you didn't even see that. Oh my gosh.
Keep moving forward! Push down! Need backup!
Two down, 6-4. I call a streak.
Back down! 1093, my squad is down! I need backup!
You're on fire, pilot. Got your Titan. Keep fighting.
Target punch.
I don't care. It's been saying that for a while, and it's like it just. Oh, my sentry got
ready.
killed.
Call it in any time.
I'll drop.
Copy that. Stand by for Titanfall.
First of all. Hopefully nobody gets me. I use my battery.
Ready to abort the mission.
Not though.
Enemy pilot attacking.
There you are. Nah, you can't hide. Oh no. I'm coming. Wait. Oh, someone else got him. Who did? Oh, that guy. Alright. Double tank.
I got hostile!
How are we still losing? I mean, I've done playground and really think I can really hurt. I don't even Okay, nice. I actually got it.
You are dominating.
I was about to say, oh, it's so...
Doing great, 6-4. Keep it going.
Enemy pilot
Just
destroyed.
punch it. My slogan.
Two
Can't
punch.
kill it, just
Nice
punch
job.
it. Up, you know. Alright, what is it? No.
Enemy
Not gonna
pilot
rodeo me.
destroyed.
Not today. Not today.
Warrior
No, not
full
today. No.
Dominating like a true 6-4.
They still not have a Titan. Okay. We still don't have a Titan. Good. Big ground so I can walk over you, right? No, I'm not. I'm not.
Take
I'm
up
gonna
those
walk over
Titans!
you, though.
Fire!
Thank you. I see a bunch of enemies on my radar. I'm pretty sure it's just grunts, though. If I could, but I don't want to waste my ammo and have to reload and then do like none of them are even ready to fall, not even my team. Come on, team, we gotta step things up. I can't find anyone. Where is everyone? Where are they at? Oh, there's one. Oh, they have a Titan now. Alright, so we fight. Fight. Please do not be a Legion. It's a Legion. It's a Legion. I just said don't be a Legion. Stupid. We're good. Good. This Legion's very stupid. Oh, they have 2 Titans. Alright, we're screwed. We're screwed. Oh no! Alright, so this is where my downfall is gonna be. This is gonna be my downfall. Okay, we have another Titan. Nice. Fire stun this guy. Nope. Right here. My mag grenade launcher. Okay. Oh my gosh, he keeps missing. Yo, this guy's gotta be upset. Yo, he's gotta hate me right now. Missing. Alright, no, not big. No. Where's this guy? Stop missing! Oh my gosh, this is annoying. We have 4 Titans? Oh my gosh.
We're winning, but not by much. Let's show them 6-4.
Okay, I got a Titan.
Like fireworks. Good work taking that Titan down. Titan almost ready.
Is this guy seriously not seeing? Oh, I don't have any grenades. Oh, here.
Your Titan is ready, pilot. Standing by for your call. Stand
Alright.
by for Titanfall.
Oh, so it's 3. Oh, no, wait. Come on. This one. They have 4. We only have 2 Titans. They have 4. Alright. Oh, now they. Oh, they're still. Go away. Uh-oh. I see that monarch. Oh, Titan died. Nice. So it's 3. Trying to sneak up on this monarch that has not much health. Where's this guy? Is he hiding behind? No, he's running away. How did I miss all of those? Nice. Yeah. Get her.
Dominating.
Friendly pilot on exterior.
Hello, Titan Rise. Are you gonna give me a battery? No.
Utterly devastating. Nice work, pilot. You're brilliant.
Actually, no, that's kind of stupid. My pilot's I'm sure already dead. Oh, phase. Nice phase, bro.
Dominating like a
Should
true
have phased
6-4.
again if you had it. I would suggest you run up here.
Come on, let's leave them in the dust.
Stand in the corner that I can clearly see you in. Pop. Don't shoot. Things very close and ready. There. One thing I don't like about this shotgun is this pop is something that has a G2. Kind of screwed because I've been throwing shotgun in this
Their
game.
retreat.
That's my. Oh my gosh, I keep missing. Alright, no one else is shooting. Come here, laser. Come here, laser. Why is this guy trying to do that? Does he not know it's gonna end in a... I'm not gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh! First place! Alright, I think I'm gonna stick with the EVA. Because I did really good with it. I'm gonna stick with the EVA. I don't wanna... Oh, nice. Half an hour. That. I might use it because it's kind of a stupid gun though. I don't like the Cold War. It's kind of like the charge rifle, except it does damage to pilots. I mean, the charge rifle does, but the thing about the EVA is it doesn't feel as good when you get a kill as the Mastiff, because when you get a kill with the Mastiff, it's just satisfaction. Alright. So this map, I should be using a grapple so I can go over the thing, but
Stay here! Move! Move! Incoming hostile pilot! Whoa! He moved! Over there! Taking down the big! Hang out! He's coming from!
didn't make it. Fine. The Mastiff does do more damage though, and it does have more range. Mastiff is a lot better, but like, kind of did really good. I'm just gonna stick with it. Well, someone else can. Nice. Got him. That was a little bit late phase. Oh, yeah. Nice goal. Deploy this in their spawn, which I believe is there. Like, it's not their actual spawn, but it's where they come out. I believe Oh, jeez. Come on, get him, Pilot Sentry. Come on. Come on, get him. Get him. I hate that Mastiff guy, man. I'm gonna hope... Okay, I gotta grunt. I don't really care about it. Oh, okay.
Titan, almost
I gotta
ready.
kill him. Jeez. I feel like someone's right here somewhere. Where's he? Right there. Come on, get him,
Your Titan is standing by.
Oh
Order
my
when ready.
gosh.
Copy that. Stand by for Titanfall.
Let me see if I can get this guy before my Titan. Oh, he's dead. Just kill him. Okay.
That's what I call retreat.
Transferring systems to pilot.
Guys, kill all those. Uh-oh. I hit him, he didn't die though. Where is him? Alright, you get him. Tell me you get him. Just get him. Is he seriously? Alright, he's close. Alright. Oh, come on. Someone kill him, please. Oh my, yes, someone got him. Thank you, whoever got him. missed that fire star. Oh, it was you. It was you, wasn't it? Little Ronin. Gonna die. Alright, now he's doing a lot of damage. Yeah, that Ronin did a lot of damage. Oh, didn't kill me. Alright, you know what? Screw this. No. Better kill him. No, didn't really. Let me get this guy. Let me get this guy. Here. Whoa, that's not good. Oh, we have 4 Titans. One of us is ready to fall. So get on. Come on, go.
Take that Titan down.
Get him, get him. Nice, kill him. Nice, that kill him.
Keep fighting.
Oh, assist. I didn't even get the assist. Oh, he jacked him all over.
Ready, pilot. Standing by for your call.
Oh, come on, that should have been my kill, man.
Stand by for Titanfall.
Alright, so we have 4 people that are going to be. Oh, this ion. Oh my gosh, that's seriously next. Oh my gosh, you have laser war. I'm wondering, like, how much No. I was gonna phase. I had such a good start. I got first ball and stuff, and then I just came down here. Place it down.
I love seeing ions fall.
Oh, place it right here.
We haven't lost yet. Let's show them what the 6th floor can do.
Oh, yo, you would have got me with that Mastiff. I told you I was gonna get him back. I told you. I have 2. Alright.
Titan's ready. Call at any time, pilot. You are dominating.
Give me a scorch.
Breathe down, pilot.
Bring him down. Whoa, no, get out of there. Get out of there. Oh. Phased. We have 1 Titan. Now
Copy
2.
that. Stand by for Titanfall.
Still, man. We don't have any. Alright, now we have 3. Oh my gosh, I didn't even kill him. Oh, okay.
Utterly devastating.
That wasn't him.
Nice work, pilot.
Oh my turret's doing work. Oh, I wanna get this guy. Give me this guy. Yeah, I got him
Sweet
both.
move.
Oh my gosh. No, my battery. Give me my battery. Alright, now phase.
16 armed to kill.
What is trying to hit me? Charge out here. There's a charge right here. Dead? He's dead. Oh, no, get me out here. Where is he? There you are. No, I ain't having none of that work for me. Oh, that's a salvo port. Oh my gosh, get me out of here.
devastating. Nice work, pilot.
Take up the sight! Fire! Fire!
I guess you could shoot really down, so kind of
We're
kind of
losing,
more
but
of
it's
a
not over.
central. Must have been next to you. Oh, jeez. Why are you trying to like me? I don't know, I pretty cool. Yeah, he had a master. I didn't really right here, I believe. Whoa, so that over.
Bring it down, pilot.
Ready?
Ready, pilot. Standing by for your call. Fall back. Fall back.
Down for
We
the
lost
move.
this one.
Oh my gosh, how did we lose? How did we lose? I bet you, wait, what did I get? I got first name. We're still lost?
Copy
Okay,
that.
that's good.
Stand by for Titan.
Right here. Jeez, everyone's in Titan! Nah, give me a good boy. I'm getting this ship. Nah, I'm not gonna get this ship. Titan.
Get to the evac point.
No, look at that. Look at that. No, I don't want to get up. Okay, first again. So guys, that's gonna be it for this episode. I know I'm in a new area. I just started editing and I realized I forgot to make the outro, and like a huge idiot. So I'm just gonna be doing it right now. And make sure you sub to my brother. His channel's name is The Needy Colonist. I'll leave a link down in the description below if you want to give him a sub. He does stuff like physics and he does some gaming too. He also does some tutorials and like science and stuff like that. So if you're interested in that, make sure to give him a sub, and also leave me a sub if you're new around this channel, and also make sure to comment what you want me to do next, because I said Thursday is the day that I'm going to be doing a game that you guys want. So make sure to leave that in the comment section. If no one comments, I'll just do a random game. Alright, see you guys later. Peace out.